Looking for a cooling and refreshing recipe to beat the summer heat? Let me show you how to make creamy pudina or mint raita that will surely make your meals more interesting. I am taking 1 cup of washed mint leaves to grind, adding 2 tablespoons of curd to aid grinding. I am avoiding water because I don't want my pudina paste to be watery but rather creamy. The pudina paste is ready to make the raita, but before that, let me show you the way to make roasted cumin powder that will give an earthy depth to our raita. In a hot pan on low flame, I am taking around 1 cup of cumin seeds or jeera to roast. Keep on stirring to roast evenly. I can now smell a nice aroma and the color has changed slightly. This is roasted. Once the seeds have cooled down, we will grind it. You must have seen me using roasted cumin powder in many of my recipes. Goes without saying, I love the way it elevates the flavor. Let's check. Fine powder. Perfect. I'm storing this in an airtight container. Roasted cumin powder comes in handy for a lot of recipes. Surely a must-have. In a cool and dry place, this stays good for 3 months. For the raita, I have here 2 cups of cool thick curd. Into this goes 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. This needs to be whisked well to smoothen the texture. Adding to this the pudina paste we made earlier. Mix this well. Add salt to taste. I have taken half teaspoon of black salt or kala namak, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder we made, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Bring everything together. Our creamy mint or pudina raita is ready. Serve this simple raita as a side dish and make your meals a lot more interesting. After all, it's the simple things in life that make it extraordinary, isn't it? Till we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.